What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add story highlights to your Instagram profile. Whether you have a business or personal profile, setting up story highlights is a fantastic way to keep your favorite moments accessible long after the standard 24-hour story expiration time. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. This feature is exclusive to the app, so you won't be able to do this via the Instagram website. Navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, you might see a new button with a plus sign. That's one way to start creating a highlight. If you don't see it, no worries. Just look for the plus sign at the top of the page, which should be visible if you're running the latest version of Instagram. Tap on that plus sign and select Story Highlight. This action brings up your archived stories. If you've never posted a story before, you need to create one first. Simply tap on the plus sign, create a story by taking a picture or uploading one, and share it to your story. Once you've got at least one story in your archive, go back to creating a highlight. Tap on the Story Highlight option again, and you'll see all the stories that you've posted. From here, you can select one or several stories to include in your highlight. After making your selection, hit Next. Now you can give your highlight a name. Keep it short and sweet due to character limits. Next, customize your highlight cover. This is the first thing people will see on your profile, so choose wisely. You can pick one of your selected stories as your cover or upload a custom image to make it stand out. After setting the title and cover, hit Add, and your new highlight will appear on your profile. Remember, you're not limited to the stories you initially choose. You can always edit your highlights or add more stories to change the cover. Just tap on the highlight you want to edit, select More at the bottom, and then Edit Highlight. This flexibility allows you to keep your highlights fresh and engaging. Creating story highlights is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your Instagram's profile, making it more engaging and reflective of your brand or personality. Don't hesitate to experiment with different highlight themes and covers to see what works best for you. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.